Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S40 and today I will show you how to wipe Cache Partition on this device. Now for this we will need a cable. You want to plug it into your computer. So I have it ready right here. And let's get started by powering off our device. And once the device is turned off, you want to pop out the little flap right here and have it ready. Before you connect the cable, start holding volume up. So while holding volume up, gonna connect the cable. There we go, which puts us into the recovery mode. You can also unplug it now, cable isn't needed anymore. So now using volume keys, you want to scroll down to wipe Cache Partition, then confirm it with power key. And there we go, cache wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key once more, and this will take us back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.